Ready to unlock a magical world of movies and TV shows with your Disney Plus gift card or promo code? First, head over to the Disney Plus website using your computer or mobile device. You'll find the URL in the description box below now. Instead of immediately signing up, look for a redeem link. This might be located in the website footer, or sometimes it's mentioned in promotional materials related to your gift card. If you don't see a redeem link, you'll need to start the sign up process by clicking on Sign Up Now. From there, you'll enter your email address and agree to the terms and conditions. You will then be prompted to select a subscription plan. This is where the magic happens. On the payment page, before entering your credit card information, there should be a clearly marked section to redeem your code. It might say redeem code, gift card, or something similar. Carefully enter your unique code in the provided field. Double check that you've entered it correctly, as typos can prevent it from working. After entering the code, click Apply or Redeem. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your code has been successfully applied. The payment amount should reflect the value of the gift card or promotion. Sometimes, if your gift card doesn't cover the full subscription cost, you'll need to provide a payment method for the remaining balance. Finish any remaining steps, confirming your subscription details. Congratulations! You've successfully redeemed your Disney Plus code and are ready to immerse yourself in endless entertainment. Start streaming your favorite movies and shows right away.